Attack for the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here, my people, me are bringing us straight down memory lane. Here, this. We see wagwan, and the same thing that we're saying, and that exactly happening to my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding and a fool, Mark Golding mean business, Welcome back again. It's your girl Attack for the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Lawyers representing Abigail Malcolm, the People's National Party candidate for the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland, say her Jamaica Labour Party counterpart, Donette Foster, has been evasive in their efforts to serve her injunction documents. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, right now PNP files injunction to prevent swearing in of JLP councillor-elect in Cornwall Mountain Division pending recount. I do not blame the PNP. So the thing say, you see how we out here, remember, we see what going on, and the same thing that we're saying, and that exactly happening to my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding and a fool, Mark Golding mean business, I mean say they too corrupt, so, and they not get away with it, At that, a real corruption people, them, and you always know, say, win, a thief and thief election, like how we always say. But this year, me like how them, you see, Mark Golding, PNP, them are moving silence. Yeah, man, me like it. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. They are demanding a magisterial recount in the division after the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, declared Foster the winner following the local government election on February 26. In a slim margin of 27 votes, Foster 1,497, votes to Malcolm 1,470. We applied for a magisterial recount in the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland on Friday, and we applied for an injunction to prevent the swearing of the candidate for the JLP, Miss Donette Foster, but she has been very evasive. You know what that means? She avoided it. She avoid them, and that she try to do. She don't want to be served, so she avoid it. Hey, story come to bomb. You know, say, yo, the whole of them are real canatis, But she has been very evasive, as the bailiff is not able to locate her. McCurdy told the paper today. We are also trying to serve the election petition on her as well. But Miss Foster has been evading the service. Basically, she avoid them because she want to run go swear in as a councillor. And this is what I like about the PNP them. Anything them say, they mean. Then I say something and do the other. If them ask for a recount, why it is so hard? Remember, Remember, so then did say Mark Golding is the winner. and then go then ask for them recount, and one bag of man a pretend like say them never done count it. When they know say them done count, them know say them done count already. This is why they announce the winner. This is why they make Cliff Hughes announce the winner because they don't count. But true, because Andrew Holness now stress out to the ground in demand the EOJ them for recount and make it look like say they never done count it. On the things that we are idiot. On the things that we are idiot, Mark Golding, don't ease up. Don't ease up after them, Mark Golding. Let me tell you something for all those who don't know. Mark Golding is a liar. He was a liar and he's a liar. So, him know exactly what is going on. You understand? Him no fool. Andrew Holness, a top chopper. Andrew Holness, a top scammer. A number one scammer. A scam NHT, scam taxpayers' money. You understand? This is why you see Dennis Meadows come out and say when say, you know. That is why I see Dennis Meadows come out. Remember, say Dennis Meadows usually in the JLP, you know. Enough scamming then, you know. Yeah. Yeah, enough scamming then doing at the JLP. Them a scammer, them a thief. You understand me? They are. That's why you see that one Venetia she run gone over there. Because she said, but wait, PNP not giving no money. Me have to go over here so with the money there. And money, the root, the lover of money is the root of all evil. That's why you see them a go on so. They don't love Jamaican people. And this is why I can't understand why uno people in a green are run up and down behind Andrew Holness. Uno forget what Andrew Holness do. If it never happened to uno exactly. Uno remember what Andrew Holness do to uno people. Remember when I covered Andrew Holness, Jamaica was the only country that was charging people more than plane ticket money. True they now wear mask. Charge people. That the money the way they did charge people, it's more than a plane fare. My viewers and subscribers, I can't believe this. And that the man that don't want to run. When the feel say Andrew Holness, you see all of the things that Andrew Holness was doing in a pandemic. One of the things say Andrew Holness decides say he want to stop. I would the land thing. Mark Golding take him go court about the lands. You understand? Mark Golding take him go to court. Even with the car seat business with the taxi driver them. And Mark Golding are the one to fight on the back on a taxi boy, on a taxi man. And Mark Golding. Uno fi stand up with not Andrew Holness. Uno think say everything when Andrew Holness say, oh, he's going to do a change of heart. Yeah, ma do a change of heart because he want to win and control the place. Then he go back to when normally do. Uno go see. And you know what I go say? If me did know. But then time there, me I go say, Andrew, hey, blast them, Andrew, blast them. Yeah, me now go come out because Andrew, me tell you already, you know. Me tell you already, if you allow Andrew Holness to win election and all them something the general election and everything, and Jamaica turn Republican and start ball out me not cause Andrew. Me just show it up and rub it in our face. That's what I'm going to do. Because if me every day me I come out and I encourage the dunce back them and the fly back the girl them, yeah, I teach them something and they can learn. Then me. When Andrew Holness win now, general election, and I try to no bad, me if you go pick up phone, no must lick on no head. Me not do that. Me not doing that big so no better saddle up from now. Me tell you no that. On a better saddle up from now. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors. See, the girl, the counselor, she is avoiding to be served because she want to run. Go swearing for counselor. Not at all. Mark Golding is not having it. Only thing say Mark Golding just do all of this because he want to. Him know what happened. I upload a video last night and show you somebody that was working there. Somebody that was working and that was present. Talk everything. Where happened? Number one, Daryl Vaz have people a vote for him after the place lock, police station lock. Then he be disqualified. Then if it be disqualified. You understand? And PSOJ don't see that. And the only reason why they don't see that I show them a labor right. Me not understand. All of them places shouldn't be an independent body. PSOJ shouldn't be independent body. Me don't know how comes them a labor right. Me not understand. You get me? One of the see PSOJ, me not stop call on out. Because Uno is not credible. Uno and EOJ is not. So my wisdom warriors, this video was done 10 months ago. Yes, 10 months ago, about 10 months ago, this video was done. Some of us are drag uno down memory lane, make uno, remind uno what had happened. Alright? Anyway, uno tell me what you think about this video. Put uno honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. I want to go over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Attack for the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.